Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do the reconstruction of 7.94 PR single that I did 2 days ago at a competition. And yeah, let's get to it. The scramble will be on the screen and yeah. Okay, so this is a scramble. And what I've done at the competition, what I've seen in inspection was, if I do this, I put this here with an R2 and then align the cross and then put this back, it's a 3-move X-cross, so already pretty lucky. And then I've seen this pair that is pretty simple, and I started a solve. So R2 down, R2, X cross solved, and then this pair. So here I could have done this pair, but I've done this one. So yeah, I've done it like this, put it like here, and I inserted in the back. This left me with the 3-mover and then this OLL case and then an U-perm that I've locked up. Yeah, so this is the reconstruction, and now let's see what could have been better. Okay, so do it until here, and I could have done this 3-mover, so 3, and then I have this very easy pair, rotate and do it. Oh, this could have been a whole lot simpler. Oh, and then a U-perm that it's a bit easier with no AUF, and this could have been a bit faster. Yeah, let me do the both variation of the solve on the stack mat, and yeah. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.